master's chambers. They're gathered for their feast. They stab it with their stealing eyes, but they just can't